Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Charles Benson. First at 10, a fight over the new policy to release video quicker after police shootings in Milwaukee. Hours after a new 15-day deadline was approved last night by the Fire and Police Commission, the police union filed a lawsuit to stop it. The policy was set to start May 1st. Miriam McCarr live outside MPD headquarters to explain their argument. Miriam.
Yeah, that new policy would give the public a quicker look at some of the footage that the men and women who sit inside these cars capture during critical incidents. Earlier today, the president of the Milwaukee Police Association told me that he thinks this new policy is not only unlawful, but detrimental to investigations. Between the 45-day proposal MPD drafted and the 15-day timeline FPC created, the latter was voted as the new standard for releasing critical video.
The investigation has to be paramount, and it has to come first. And the due process rights of our officers, the due process rights of the victims, and everybody else involved have to be protected.
Andrew Wagner with the Police Association says the newly passed standard operating procedure puts that protection at risk.
As soon as the investigation is complete and as soon as we know that it won't hinder the investigation or cause any due process issues, then feel free to release a video.
Wagner says releasing video prior to the end of an investigation will cause more confusion.
To see a tidbit of a video or a clip from a body camera within 48 hours without an investigative process is going to leave more questions than answers.
The association also claims the Fire and Police Commission doesn't have the right to impose new policy.
We believe that it's clear that the SOPs should come from the chief and be overlooked by the Fire and Police Commission for approval or disapproval. The Fire and Police Commission should not be making SOPs for the department.
We took a look at the Wisconsin statute that describes the FPC's role. Under Statute 6250, the law says the board may prescribe general policies and standards for the departments. Community advocate groups like the Alliance Against Racist and Political Repression have been at the forefront of the fight for faster video release times. In response to the association's lawsuit, they released a statement saying, in part, Wagner is clearly aware of the power involved in controlling the narrative of critical incidents. It's a tactic they've used to discredit the community whenever they harm one of our loved ones. FPC has not disregarded the rules or operated in an illegal or dangerous manner. The FPC has done what it's supposed to do.
We'll see who's right in court, I guess. We'll respect the judge's decision on the injunction, and we'll respect the court of law and as this goes through.
I asked Wagner what he thought was a proper timeline for those standard operating procedures. His only response, when the investigation is over. Reporting live in Milwaukee, Miriam McCarr, TMJ4 News.
All right, Miriam, thanks. Let's go in depth with some context on the time frame for police video releases as things currently stand. Now, since 2018, the department has put out 28 videos. The average time has been more than 52 days from the incident.